Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're finding out what secrets are really hidden inside your digital photos. Let's get right into it. Every single photo you take could be sharing way more than you realize.
Get this, a recent study found 72% of smartphone photos have hidden GPS data, your exact location. So what is all this hidden info? It's called metadata, and there are three main types.
Okay, so Exif is automatic camera data, IPTC is for organizing, and XMP tracks all your edits.
And it's not just random data. Pros at Getty Images and Shopify use this stuff every single day.
So how can you see all this data? The fastest way is actually a free online tool.
What's great is they work right in your browser. No app, no install, just easy access.
Using them is super simple. Just go to the site, upload your photo, and boom, there's the data.
But wait, what about the tools you already have? You can check for basic details right now.
First up, your iPhone. If you've got iOS 16 or newer, this is going to be super easy. Seriously, just open a photo and swipe up. All the info pops up right there below it. Okay, for all you Android users, Google Photos has a really similar feature built right in. All you do is tap the photo, then hit that little info icon at the bottom. That's it. All right, let's jump over to your desktop. On a Windows PC, it's all in the Files properties. Just right-click the photo, choose Properties, and then click on that Details tab. And of course, for all you Mac users out there, the Preview app has everything you need. Just open your photo in Preview, hit Command-I, and then click the Exif tab. Done.
So why does any of this matter? It's all about your privacy and being in control.
Okay, let's zoom in on the big one, that hidden GPS data that tracks your location.
These online tools can actually put your photo's location right on a map. Kind of scary, right?
So yeah, this helps with privacy, verifying photos, organizing them, and even helps your SEO. So now that you know what's hiding in your photos, what are you going to do differently?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.